Transverse lie is when the fetal ovoid is exactly perpendicular to the maternal ovoid. Here the engaging diameter is the bisacromion diameter and the denominator is the acromion. So based upon whether the acromion is on the left anterior quadrant, it becomes an LAA. When the acromion is in the right anterior quadrant, it becomes an RAA. Similarly, you have got an acromion posterior for the right as well as the left side. Here, unlike the other presentation, here if the fetus is back is facing downwards, it becomes a dorso-inferior. When the back is facing towards the fundus, it becomes a dorso-superior. Similarly, you have got a dorso and anterior as well as a dorso posterior also. The problem with the transverse lie is that you cannot have a vaginal delivery for a term fetus, and because of the irregular fitting presenting part, membranes tend to rupture early in the onset of labor itself, and the cord or the arm might prolapse out. So neglected shoulder presentation is when the labor starts in a transverse lie, membranes rupture and the hand is prolapsing out, it becomes a neglected shoulder presentation. That is why we have to do elective cesarean for transverse lie. Transverse lie is common in multigravida, placenta previa, tumors in the lower uterine segment. Few words about internal podalic version. The only role of internal podalic version in modern obstetrics is for the second of the twin if it remains as transverse lie. How you do is that the prerequisites here is that the cervix should be fully dilated, membrane should not have ruptured, liquor should not have drained. What you do is that under anesthesia, the whole hand is introduced into the uterine cavity. After rupturing the membranes, both legs are caught hold of, identifying the legs by the heel and by the arrangement of the toes. Both legs are brought down. So IP version is then followed with breech extraction. Why it is called IP version is that because it is internal manipulation, the podalic pole or the breech is brought down. That is why it is called IP version. Because the patient is anesthetized, you cannot go ahead with an assisted breech delivery, you have to have a breech extraction.